dancing on the
Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Gojin, my man. Thanks for being patient. I'm gonna see if I can do a magic trick on this kid. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna get your nose. Oh, I think he ripped this off one of his bear toys. So today we're gonna be working on the RX-8 a little bit. If you didn't catch yesterday's vlog or the previous vlog, I found like this carbon shielded intake for it, as well as Birdy coilovers. Today we plan on installing them. But before we do that, I'm gonna head to the dog park. And also, I'm in the market for new glasses because these are destroyed. So probably gonna get new specs today as well. Okay, Gohan, I'm sorry. This kid's been so patient waiting for me to get ready. Thank you, thank you. See you guys at the dog park. I'm super excited to work on the Celica, believe it or not. But today we using the FRS. Oh my gosh, there's a bear inside. How are you, buddy? He's like a half breed. Lion, bear, dog. This is your accoutrements. What you said? Because we were supposed to go for a W word 2 hours ago. I was just busy getting ready. Hey, we're going to the dog park. Don't be sad. Free, homie. So this is, I don't even know what dog park this is. Beddington Dog Park. And it's actually huge. It goes all the way down there and it's fenced in. So these guys are fairly protected. Usually has a mind of his own. There's a little oasis at the very end of this park and it's just like rocks and stuff. Maybe we can train him a little bit there. Come on, dude. You got friends. I ain't wearing my glasses right now. That's why I can't see anything. What's up? This guy's cool. Dude, I love his hair. How's it going, buddy? Hello. 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 Okay, Gohan, you ready, homie? Go on, yip, yip. The goal is to tire the dogs out. He's too much of an adventurous dog. It's not even a path, Gohan. What's up, buddy? Oh my gosh, hi. Hi. Known fact, all humans' voices go 3 pitches higher than normal tone when they talk to animals, especially dogs. Okay, Gohan, gotta hold on, bro. We're going, okay? Hey, what's up, buddy? Aw. Oh, Gohan found a friend. Gohan found a friend. Hi. I gotta give you water. Gohan, eh? This is water. This is water. Fun. Going up. Good boy. Alright. See you guys at the garage. Hey, rude boy. These guys haven't seen each other in a little bit. look, he's right here. Hey. Whoa. What is this? Why are you like that? This is your friend, okay? He's jealous because Gohan still got his balls. He smells the hormones. Chill. Alright, well, if you guys don't already know, our friend Sunny Visions is actually going to start working here, helping me out anyway, especially if I just can't make it in the mornings or something. It'll be nice to have someone in the circle that kind of knows their way around the products and stuff, to be here when I can't be. He is going to start working here, front desk, and kind of just like chilling out, really. It's more so if I need help too, I have a second hand. It's almost like just take the opportunity to grow yourself in a really calm and chill environment, you know? And that's what this place has become. So, just gonna quickly show them the ropes. Actually, I don't know what's going on with this. Alright guys, it's time to work on the RX-8. Oh, by the way, I quickly stopped by the mall to pick up my new glasses. Ray-Bans, which actually have hooks for the ears because, hey, chill, man. Not gonna be needing these anymore. Just buy one, get one free today. I was like, yo, okay, you know what? And the other pair I got, they're so obnoxious. They're like neon blue, neon green. They're so out there, but they're prescription, so I'll wear them when I'm feeling flamboyant. Sheesh. Nah, these are so much better. Oh, and the thing is too, like usually it takes a few weeks for them to create the lenses and put them in the frames, but I think my negotiation skills are getting better because these guys let me take the floor model and they put my exact prescription lenses in it. So I got my glasses like in 30 minutes. Thank you guys at Pearl Vision. Okay, so have you guys tried turning it on? It doesn't turn over or anything?
It sounded like a battery this time.
Could be the battery, man. It's never been changed. How long has it been charging so far?
For a little while.
You wanna give it a shot?
20 minutes, yeah, sure.
Go for it.
Yo, nice glasses, bro.
Thanks, homie. Sunny Visions.
Sunny doesn't really have good vision.
Wait. That's it. Yeah, so close. I'm gonna do some Google research. Solved. 2004 to 2006 RX-8. This is a 2004 RX-8, by the way. Getting it to turn over, but not firing. Replace the battery, plugs, and starter, and still not fire. Okay, no, that's the problem. But there are 4 answers. Start by checking for the engine codes. Also listen for the fuel pump. Does it hum when you turn on the ignition? Without turning the motor over. You should hear a humming sound for about 3 to 5 seconds coming from... Okay, I'm gonna quickly go over this and try to figure this out. Might be bad news bears. So, worst case scenario, engine might need a rebuild because I'm just like going through some of these problems. Like I'm looking at this guy's YouTube video and put simply, low compression means we just weren't treating the engine properly, like revving the engine to 3K RPM before turning it off, and just not like letting it warm up. Like I haven't actually driven the RX-8 all that much since I bought it, like only from garage to garage. So there could be a reason why those guys let it go for so little. I still kind of want to have faith. So, I mean, keep at it, try to figure it out, but still kind of want to do the coil install. Good luck, have fun. Let's try it again.
Are you giving it throttle yet?
I am trying to. Maybe we can use Sunny's little machine to diagnose it. I know he has one, but the check engine light's on. We're gonna be installing an intake anyway. We're gonna be in and around this area, so we can try and test it ourselves. Sick, huh?
It's a sweet intake.
Replaces this fatty. That's sick, dude.
Just yoink!
It doesn't matter anymore. This giveaway is useless. All right, guys, comment down below. What should we swap into this thing? Our only actual rotary. Our last rotary.
In the whole world.
Yo, just tag that Rob Dam guy. Nice.
Well, it's actually not bad.
Ratchet RX-8.
Yeah.
Back on.
Did the battery start?
With the cap off.
There?
On
Whoa,
your
for
cage.
sure. That was his little home. Crazy.
Cracks in the oil
Things
metering
to
pump
check
distributor.
if your RX-8
And then
won't
another one
start.
of these goes, routes behind the alternator, and oh yeah, I'm getting something. You know, some of you guys are thinking you're probably gonna get a dead starter.
That's the sound you don't want to hear, man. This could be blown apex seals.
You see that, guys? That's persistence. The starter just cool off for just a little bit
Eesh, okay.
and go from there. But
Shout out to Eliminate. I'm actually rocking the other Sunny's brand merch. Lifestyle.
This guy. Is that you pushing it?
No.
No, it's just sucking it.
Good shot. He has the machine. He has the doohickey. He's got the Pokedex.
Cylinder 2 misfire detected. Throttle, generator control module performance, throttle, generator control.
It might not be as bad as we think it is, actually. It might just be a spark plug issue, is what Angus is saying.
Reach code, stored code.
Num 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 num.
Oh yeah, Angus pulled that over.
Not for you. This will kill you, dog. It does not. It doesn't. First time working a 13B, and it's letting us down. Just kidding. It's maybe us who let it down. Should be decent. I have to do the deflooding process again. Yeah, make sure. And like the guy's video said, apparently you gotta have the throttle down as well. So clutch in, got it, throttle. And then you gotta do that like 6 to 8 times, he said, so. Just turn it off and on, and just keep doing that. One more. There's a little bit of smoke coming out, man. Have faith, guys. Here we go. I'm praying to the JDM lords. What was that?
It was a little shake.
Unfortunate news. I may have to. Well, first, you know what? We'll do a compression test and see if this engine's still okay. It might have been us just not handling it properly, not letting it warm up before going for these short runs. Basically, just driving it from garage to garage and from like the front to the back. That's why a lot of people down talk rotary engines, right? It's just because they don't know how to maintain it. And I'm not saying I know how, because this just happened to us. Unlucky situation, but you know, that's car stuff for you guys. We'll figure this out. But at least the intake looks good.
What's up?
I think something's wrong with it, like you said.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna bring it to the back.
Okay, down.
Before I fuck it up. Oh no, there it is.
Yeah.
What a collection. That's so sick. Oh, it's the twin turbs.
Yeah, like 2,500 horsepower twin turbo manuals. Yeah, this one we're only gonna go for like 1,200.
Only 12.
Wow. Dude, in Lambo territory, that's not that much.
Yeah.
Because we're trying to do 1,005 with the Blue M4.
What is the M4 stock internals?
No.
No. Yeah, I would think so.
Working on. We have ARP making like custom AGE bolts for everything and like custom pistons, because nothing really exists to make 1,000 on them yet. So yeah, like 750 is kind of where you stop being able to like use everyone else's parts.
Right.
And then you gotta make your own. 700, 750 is when you start running out of fuel.
Oh, okay.
And you have to run port injection.
Right.
And then when you get to port injection, you need a fuel controller or a standalone. And then once you get that crazy, then you need internals. We have a company, well, Lang Racing, they do our bottom ends, our crank hubs. And then we have a company who has like tool paths for CNC porting all the heads and stuff. Hopefully we'll hit it. I've only ever hit 850 in an S55.
That's still insane though, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but a long way from 1,000.
Yeah. The
After
difference-
like 600, they're useless.
Yeah.
It's just so you can tell people at car shows, I think. I don't know. That Huracan will put down 700 and then it's just tire burning.
Okay, enjoy the night, my man. So, something's wrong with the E36 too, sadly. But apparently, same problem that Sonny was having with his, and he actually ended up fixing it. So, yeah, we'll figure that out tomorrow as well.
Alright, so right now the EQ is on super bass, and then the bass button is on 2 bass settings. Alright.
I think I found the international music station. First it was playing Tagalog music, like Tagalog R&B, which actually sounded pretty good. And now it's Japanese pop.